Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. So I'm back with another Leetcode Daily Challenge and it is Leetcode number 338 counting bits. It is an easy level question and I also feel the same. So the question is given an integer n, return an array ns of length n plus 1 such that for each element I from 0 to n, ai is the number of ones in the binary representation of I. Okay, for example, if you see here, when n is 2, then we have to take 0, 1 and 2. So in 0 there are no bit which is enable means 1, so it is 0. In 1 it is one element is 1, so it is 1, its count is 1, and here 2 is there, again one element is 1, so it is 1. Okay, 1 bit means. In the example number second, there n can go up to 5, so we can take the number from 0 to 5. Now you can see here the 3 contain 2 bits. Okay, so it is here 2, and 5 also contain 2 bits means set bits. Okay, or 1, so it is again 2, and a constant is n can go up to 10 to the power 5. There are some follow-up questions like, if it is very easy to come up with a solution with a runtime of O of n log n, can you do it in a linear time of O of n? Okay, and possibly in a single pass. Okay, so I have write down the same thing here. I will show you how. Then can you do it without using any inbuilt function like built-in pop count in C++? Okay, we will not use it. Okay, so let me take an example. uh First of all, if you see a number like, let's say we can take a 5. Okay, what will be the binary representation of 5? It is very simple. It is 2 to the power 2. Okay, and 2 to the power 0, like 101. Okay, this is our 2 to the power 0, this is our 2 to the power 1, this is our 2 to the power 2. So 2 to the 4, and 4 uh and 2 to the power 0 is 1, so 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, so if you already know this thing, then you can try it out. Okay, it is very easy question. Okay, you can also solve it in off and time. Okay, but if you are means in doubt, then please continue to the video. So 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, and 2 to the power 2. Okay, so here two set bits are there. Okay, so the answer will come up to be 2 for this number. And if there is something, if n is, let's say, 6, then you have to find out this set bits from 0 to 6. Okay, inclusive. Both the number are inclusive. Okay, so how we will do? I will iterate every number's bit. Okay, like, for this example, it is 101. So a integer is represented in 32-bit set. Okay, so what I will do, I will iterate through a loop from 0 to 31. However, it is given that it can go up to n value 10 to the power 5, but still I will iterate from 0 to 31 size. Okay, then I will check if my first 20 is a set bit or not. Okay, if I end with it 1, if I end is bitwise end. Okay, this is the bitwise end. If it is single end symbol, then it is a bitwise end. Okay, and with 1. Okay, so I can check it out like if it is set or not. Okay, similarly, if 2 to the power 1 and 1, if it is set or not. Okay, I have to do the same thing. So let's see the code. So here, I have taken a vector. Okay, answer vector, and I iterate through all the elements from 0 till end, and I take a count variable, and again I again use a for loop, and I iterate from 0 to 31. Okay, then I left shift my 1 to j. Okay, for this example, it for the example, this 5 value, it will be 0 up to some point, and this at last it is 0, 0 1 0 1. Okay, and in between this all number are 0. So if I left shift my 1, okay, by let's say 2, so initially 1 is here, then I left shift 1 times here, then I again left shift 1 time here. Okay, so it will be 1, and here also the 1 come here, so it will be 1. And if I perform the bitwise end, then it will give me 1. So I have done the same thing. I will check for every possible bit. I initially check for left shift it by 0, then again shift by 1, again shift by 2. Okay, like this. Okay, then I increment my count variable if it is 1. Okay, if it is 1, then if condition get true, and it increment the count variable, and finally I just push the count variable into the vector. Okay, so I hope you understand the code. Let me submit the code. Okay, so it is accepted. Now what about the time complexity? The time complexity of this called code is O of 32 into n. Okay, as 32 is a constant, so you can ignore it. So it will be equivalent to O of n, and it's only take O of one space. Okay, so I hope you understand this concept, and this is very basic concept. Okay, so hope you enjoy it. I will see you tomorrow. Till then, goodbye.